I'm going to show you how to make pasta salad with feta cheese and of course my bumbu kuning. Let's get cooking. And you need salt, okay? 2 cups of pasta or macaroni, half cup of sliced onion here, sliced red pepper, a little bit olive oil on the top, okay? 5-minute broth. This is our bumbu kuning. Take a look at the texture, guys. So all of the real thing is here. And it's all fresh ingredient. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1/4 cup, so we're gonna need 4 of this, okay? Try. Already tastes so good. Dump all of this here. All of the pasta here. Ta-da. Let's mix it. Okay, so now plating. You can see the color, the vibrant color. Just put a little bit on the top. You're done. Take a look at that.